everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so be sure to subscribe if that's what you're interested in. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a VHS tape effect in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is come to this website anfx.co, which will be linked in the description, and download this free VHS tape overlay. And well, obviously then next you'll be greeted with this. Now if this comes up, just click allow pop-ups and basically it just downloads. Now the next thing you want to do is come to Premiere, and I've already put it in Premiere, so yeah, next thing you want to do then, just get a color matte or basically anything and drag it onto the timeline. And the next thing you want to do is drag the VHS tape overlay onto the timeline and on top of that layer. And obviously you're going to be greeted with this. Now what I want you to do next is simply go to blend mode on this basically, and then click on screen, and boom, done. Now if you want to, what you can do is as well, to make it a little bit better, go to color matte again, this time go for black, obviously, right? Just leave the name as it is. And then what you want to do is you want to basically go to effect controls, go to position, come to position, and basically just drag the position to about right around there. Actually, that looks a bit too now again, what you realistically want to do is do the same thing again, but to the right. And there you are. And that is how you create a VHS tape effect in Premiere Pro. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe for more. Leave a like and share the video around to boost the video's search rankings and overall help the channel grow. And if you have any questions, then be sure to leave them in the comment section below or contact me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care everyone.